Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Jisoo Earthquake dance performance video. So hindi ko na ito patatagalan. Let's start. Let's see. Oh my gosh, the silhouette.
It's me like an earthquake.
The set! Her outfit! Her visual. Hey! The top shot. Woo! Wow! Grabe talaga yung drop ng beat. I love her outfit. Hey! Tuto talaga. Woo! What a performance. Parang music video. Wow! Ganda! The silhouette. I cannot. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda ni Jisoo dito. Like, yung set, tapos yung outfit niya, yung visual niya, and the choreo. Sobrang gusto ko yung choreo talaga. Like, ano lang, chill lang yung choreo, pero ang laki ng impact kasi ang ganda ng beat and nung song. So, super ganda. Like, oh my gosh, yung dancing skill talaga ni Jisoo. Like, grabe yung in-improve. Like, legit. And by the way, guys, nag-react ako dun sa first performance ni Jisoo ng Earthquake sa SBS in Cagayo. So, technically, na ano siya, na block copyright dito sa YouTube. Kaya sa Patreon ko na lang siya in-upload. So kung gusto niyo lang na mapanoodin, ayun, nasa Patreon ko siya. So check niyo na lang doon. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!